my name is Hunter. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be repotting my Philodendron melinonii. This plant has been such a fast grower for me. I've had it for, I don't know, maybe a year and a half, and it's probably tripled in size at least. So it's definitely time for it to be repotted. So we're gonna be doing that today. Let's go do that. Alrighty, so here is the plant that I'm going to be uppotting today. This is a Philodendron melinonii. First off, she's stunning. Let's talk about these leaves and how big they are, how glossy they are. And this one actually has some variegation. I'll show you in a close-up, but that's kind of why I bought this plant in the first place, is I saw it had some variegation. But I'm obsessed, so whatever. But it's about time she gets repotted. She's drying out too quickly, and I just kind of can't keep up with her watering. And I can see in the petiole that she's a little dehydrated. So let's start by trying to see if I can get it out of this pot. And I'm just gently pulling, get down to the base as much as you can. Oh, well, that came out easier than expected. Look at those roots. She's been giving me a lot of aerial roots too, which I've just been putting in the soil. But yeah, she's ready for an up pot. So now I'm gonna grab my new pot, one of my favorite pots, thanks Target. And I'm going to add a layer of soil on the bottom. Let's see. Maybe like an inch or two of soil, I'm guesstimating. All right, let's see how it looks with that amount. I am so good at this. That looks perfect. So now, it's gonna be a little more difficult, but not too bad. We're just going to fill in around the space. Try to center the plant as much as possible. I mean, just for aesthetic reasons, mostly it's not gonna hurt it if you have it up against the side of the pot. But it'll look better if you don't. But it's your plant, do what you want, I guess. Just keep filling in. I don't really like to mess with my roots when I repot. I try to just leave them be. That way they don't get disturbed, I don't accidentally damage them, and then possibly cause the plant to either get sick or die. And right now I'm just using some soil that I have, just using it up. It's nothing special, but normally I really like Ocean Forest by Foxfarms. That's the soil I recommend for aroids. So I feel like Philodendron, Monstera, Syngoniums, all that good stuff. And honestly, I use it for my Hoyas too. You just obviously water them slightly less. So now I'm just kind of backfilling, getting around those sides and shoving that soil down in there. You don't have to use your hands either, obviously. Just gotta move those big leaves out of the way. Make sure all those roots are buried. I guess if there's some aerial roots popping up, those are fine, but just gonna go around the whole plant, make sure that it's got enough soil. Alrighty, we are all done uppotting this Philodendron melinonii. If you made it clear to the end, please let me know by leaving a comment and I don't know, say what your favorite part was. Did you learn anything? Surprise me. Anyway, if you are not already, please subscribe. And if you aren't following me on Instagram, my link will be in the video description. Thank you.